So here are two short snapping tips for Affinity Designer. The first one is for circles or ellipses. So I've got these two ellipses and I want to snap one point on this curve to one point on that one. And you cannot just grab them by this curve because that doesn't snap, even though everything is turned on in here. So what you can do is convert this to curves, and then you take that direct selection tool, that knot tool, and double click on that point that you want to align, which is now an actual point. Then you can select all of them, and when you do that, you can move that by grabbing one of its points. And when you move that to here, then you see it snaps like so. If you want to snap to actual tangents, then you need to do the math. So Affinity Designer won't do that automatically. Okay, let's get to another one, which is about triangles. And I have this and this triangle, and they should be aligned in a way that these two are aligned. And this one snaps to somewhere on this path segment. So to do that, you first do this, so they snapped here, which is just bounding box. And then what you need is the point transformation tool, like so, and you take this center point for the transformation and move it to here, snaps again, and then you grab this point. And when you grab it, make sure you press the command key. I suppose on Windows this is Control, and then you can snap to here. You see it snaps. If you don't press command, then what happens is this, and it gets scaled. If that's what you want, fine. You can snap it to up here, for instance. But if you don't, then press the command key, like so. And then you've aligned those two.